Today, let's discuss an interesting concept called role reversal. Now, this generally happens when a stock breaks either through a support or a resistance level. Now, there are two main scenarios for role reversal to occur. Scenario one is when the resistance becomes the support. Now, imagine the price of a stock breaking its resistance level with a significant increase in buying activity gaining momentum. Now, the stock is trading above its previous resistance level. Now, interestingly, the momentum that helped the stock break the resistance now acts as a new support. Now, another scenario when the support becomes resistance. Now, in this scenario, the price of a stock breaks its support level and is accompanied by notable increase in selling volume, causing a decline in the price of the stock. As a result, the stock now trades below its previous support level. The interesting fact here is that the level that once provided support can now transform itself into the new resistance.